It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. Todd, can you play that again?
Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be doing basically like a get ready with me, like a quick well, like a natural makeup look for like everyday women, whether you're going to work, whether you're going for a job interview. Something kind of simple. I'm gonna try to do something not as much, but I'm giving you these vintage hair, old school vibes with this hairstyle. I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling this new do. It's my natural hair, so I'm like, you know, embracing it a little more. So yeah, I'm about to get into this makeup. It's gonna be a drugstore makeup look as well. I'm gonna be using all drugstore products except my brows. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I can't find my Revolution Color Stay brow pencil. If you haven't already watched my brow routine, I'll leave it up here. But I am gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to do my brows, and I'm gonna do those off camera, and then I'm gonna hop into prepping my skin. Well, I'm gonna probably prep my skin off camera as well, just to save some time. But yeah, I'm about to do my brows, and then I'll be back, and we're gonna get into this look. I look like a little wounded raccoon. Did my brows and I primed my lids. I just used Colourpop's No Filter Concealer, and I primed my lids, and then I used the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder, and I set that. And if you're looking for a drugstore, not really a dupe for this particular, but I know Makeup Revolution has a banana powder, a luxury banana powder that's similar to this one. And then I used to use CoverGirl's loose powder in 115. It's the top. So I used to use this. This is my first setting powder, and it's just a good setting powder for women of color. So E.l.f. or Laura Mercier, you can get that from Sephora, but this is a cheaper brand. Anything Maybelline or CoverGirl, you can try those setting powders. But yeah, so I set my lids, and first eyeshadow, I'm gonna go and use kind of do a simple eyeshadow look, something that you could create. Like I said, this is gonna be like your everyday eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna be using this metallic, it's an eye chrome by Maybelline. Flat type of brush. So I used two products that were not drugstore friendly. I forgot to note that for this eyeshadow for the brown. I used MAC Mineralized, and I used the Anastasia Contour Color, the brown color. But a dupe for both of them is Beautiful Bronze by Black Radiance. It's Beautiful Bronze. I'll leave the name at the bottom as well. It's fun to do eyeshadow looks, like I can, but it literally takes everything out of me to do them, because like I said, I have to like create my own freaking crease, and then I have to like be blending for days, and it just like, me personally, I don't be caring to do that on a regular. Like, nobody be having time to do that on a regular. Like, that's a little lot. So yeah, girl's not even gonna lie, she don't be doing it. Blend this out. Like, just to blend this one out.
You give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's not, it's like this. I really wanna be right here. I really wanna be you there. When it's not, it's like this. I really wanna be right here. I really wanna be you there.
Todd, can you play that again?
but you got a halo. When it's not
super simple, super cute.
right, I really you there.
And this is also optional, but I just feel like it does complete the look.
Right, I really you there.
My lashes on off camera, but I usually have a problem where it's like my inner corners be like lifting up, and I really hate that, and it shows on the camera. Like, seriously hate that. I really hope this time it doesn't. And I don't know why this happens. I cut them prior to even putting them on, and it still sometimes lifts. I don't know if it's the shape of my eyes. I don't know, but anywho, I recently did a review on this foundation, so I'm gonna leave it up the top. So definitely check it out.
No angel, but you got a halo. When it's not like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna be you there.
It is fall, and these months I am a little water. I noticed that, and yeah, my skin is usually dry.
You full of vibes, contagious. Look in your eyes, it is dangerous. Quick full of head on patience.
I haven't used this concealer for freaking ever. That was like one of my first concealers I used. First concealers I started with when I did make my, if you go look at my first video, I'm gonna say it like that. If you look at my first video, this is the first concealer I used. Liquid concealer. And so yeah.
When it's not like this, I really wanna be right here. I really you there.
Like, it all just looks so cohesive already as it. I'm gonna be taking this C15. No, I'm gonna be taking the C15. I said yeah.
Can you try that again?
Can't have it on the hair, honey. Can't have it on the hair. My MAC. And this is a good blush for women of color.
Then I'm not deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love they tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. Here we go. Baby, no you. Baby, no you. Baby, no you. Baby, no you. Like we be running.
So I'm gonna use my Colourpop lipstick and Embellish and line my lips. The middle part, I'm gonna use Milani. What is this? Amore matte lipstick. It's more of like a creamier. It's not as matte as the Colourpop lipstick is. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this in the inner. and it smells super freaking good.
EMG, 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 EMG.
Word, like, you know.
Here we go. You feel the vibe, contagious. Look in your eyes, it's dangerous.
This, and then I'm gonna pop on the lip gloss, and then I will do some slow-mos with the lip gloss. But yes, this is my final look. It's super cute. Ulta and Essence Shine.
Halo, when it's nice like this, I really wanna be right here.
And hit the subscribe button, like right there. Hit the little bell, like right there. And stay tuned. This your girl, I am Silent Progress, and I am out for the good. And y'all be good. It's your girl, I am Silent Progress. Yes, I love you guys. At the end of the day, be you, because the real you is beautiful.